Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will guide you how you can fix error establishing a database connection in WordPress. This error occurs when WordPress is unable to make a connection to the database. Mainly this issue can be caused by incorrect database information in your WordPress settings, corrupt database, or an irresponsive database server. WordPress needs the following information for connecting to the database: database name, database username, database password, database server. All of these information is stored in wp-config.php file. If any of these items are incorrect, WordPress will fail to connect the database server. Let's check the database credentials. You can edit wp-config.php file by using FTP client or directly editing the WordPress file through cPanel File Manager. To check or change the database user credentials, you have to use your hosting cPanel. Find Databases and click MySQL Databases. Here you will find the database user information. Once you have confirmed your database name, username, and password, you can change that information in your wp-config.php file if needed. After that, try visiting your website again to see the error has gone. If you're still getting a different error on the WP admin, for instance, something like one or more database tables are unavailable, the database may need to be repaired, then you need to repair your database. For that, you need to add the code line in your wp-config.php file. Once done, you can see the settings by visiting link as shown in video. Click to repair database and it's done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.